Ever wondered what goes into making that perfect bra? The one that gives you confidence all day? Imagine a secret factory where magic happens, turning simple fabric into your everyday essential.
Checking this section now.
Today,
Lights on,
we're
weave
diving
looks
into
clear.
the fascinating
Good,
world
moving
of
to the
how
next.
Women's bras, brassieres, and blouses are born in a massive factory. It all starts with design. Skilled artists sketch patterns on computers, thinking about comfort, style, and support, from lacy push-ups to everyday basics. These designs head to the cutting room, where huge machines slice rolls of premium fabrics like cotton, lace, and elastic with laser precision. No waste, just pure efficiency. Next, the pieces journey to sewing stations. Hundreds of expert workers, mostly women with years of craft, stitch seams, attach straps, and mold cups using heat presses. It's like a symphony. Needles whirring, threads flying, creating hooks, underwires, and padding that hug just right. Then comes quality magic. Each bra is stretched, inspected under lights for flaws, and washed in giant tumblers to ensure it lasts wash after wash. Packaging seals it fresh, ready for stores worldwide. This is just the beginning of the journey. Stick around to see the intricate details that make it all flawless. If you're loving this peek behind the curtain, smash that like button right now. Drop a comment saying Factory Magic, and let's hit 10K views together. Don't miss the full process. Welcome back to the heart of the factory, where the real details turn good bras into great ones. After cutting, those fabric pieces get layered with innovations like memory foam padding for shape that lasts all day, or moisture wicking tech to keep you cool. In the molding area, cups are shaped in high heat presses, 200 degrees Celsius for seconds, forming perfect contours without creases. Straps? They're triple stitched with adjustable sliders and soft backing to prevent digs. Assembly lines buzz as underwires slide in precisely. Hooks get riveted for unbreakable hold, and labels are heat pressed on. Robots even help with lace appliques, ensuring every frill is symmetrical. Final checks? X-ray scans detect wire bends, and stretch tests mimic 1,000 wears. Only perfection ships out. 500 bras per hour from this powerhouse. Mind blown yet? The finale reveals the genius touches you never knew.
All right, team, let's move to packaging.
Been secure, moving out.
Supplies are good to go.
Looks clear ahead.
Check this alignment.
Looks good, rivets are secure.
Consistent finish, pass it.
Agreed, quality is solid.
This one is ready for boxing? Good. Keep the pace up.
You've seen it all now. From sketch to shelf, the incredible factory process crafting bras, brassieres, and
Last
blouses
one, team.
empower
Let's make it clean.
millions. It's
Sealed
not
and
just
ready.
sewing, it's science, skill, and a touch of wonder making everyday comfort possible. Hook for next time? What if I told you the most luxurious bras hide even wilder secrets? Hit play on my next video. If this blew your mind, do me a huge favor. Like this video to spread the factory magic, comment bra factory secrets below with your fave part, and subscribe for more behind the scenes reveals. Turn on notifications so you never miss one. Share with a friend who needs better bra intel. Thanks for watching. You're amazing. See you soon.